Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To get sound effects on TikTok, start by tapping the plus button to create a new video. Once you're in the recording screen, click the Sounds option at the bottom. Here, you can browse through the trending, new, or genre sections to find your desired sound effect. Alternatively, use the search bar at the top to look for specific sounds or music. After selecting a sound, you can adjust its starting point to sync with your video for that perfect clip.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.